Yo, what's up? How you doing? I'm just in Kuta, just next to the Discovery Mall, which is Discovery Mall is over here. And as you can see, not much has changed since I was here last time. I could say it's even more quiet than it was before. However, today I'm gonna go to Lipo Mall area, German beach. Also, I'm gonna tell you a story about German beach little bit, and I'm gonna come back on the beach side, back to the mall, which is this one. Check this out. Yo, what's up, my friend? Hi. Tech. And yeah, that's how it looks. Okay, so here is the hotel, Bali Rani, and at the front is the Discovery Kartika Plaza Hotel. And long time ago the hotel, this one is just under renovation. I think it's open now, but the Discovery Kartika Plaza is one of the oldest hotel in Kuta area, and also had the contract with the Qatar Airways. So basically all the Qatar Airways crew used to stay here, but I saw as they removed the sign of Qatar Airways, well, basically no Qatar Airways crew since 1 year at least in Bali. So but anyway, hotel is open, looks like this. They have a special rate. Yo, what's up? The security, they have a special rate, 600k per night. If somebody interested. Yeah, that's how it looks. I will stroll around here. Oh, that's a nice cafe shop, bar. They have a Cadillac. I think this Cadillac, right? Seat, but I'm not sure if it's open or closed actually. Somebody here inside, but I'm not sure. And yeah, that's how it looks. Today my stroll around, bikes for rent, no owner, Circle K open, some people walking around, and actually some cars also driving around. Here is some restaurant, but only security sit there. Many places are just open air here in that area, so basically somebody have to take care of this. Here is Sun Island Hotel. Sun Island Hotel. Hard to say it's open or not, but seems like it's not open, it's closed. Yes, hello. Thank you. Yo, what's up? I don't know what they are looking from me. Mini Mart, close. Here is some cozy place. Hello. Oh, thank you. Next time, yeah. Here usually. Sick of bullshit. That's actually funny sign. Here normally is the shopping stroll area, bikes for rent everywhere here. Thank you, brother. Everywhere here usually massage shops like this one, Carla, closed as you can see, but in general massage shops, hotels, restaurants like this one, for example, hotel and restaurant. Unfortunately, everything, as you can see, seems to be closed. This is the Gang Food Aksari, and if you go there by this small road over there will be the Tuban area. I make a vlog once there. Here, Bollywood. I think that's the Indian restaurant, however closed. And well, basically what I can say, I don't want to say that, but that this area, especially of this part of Kuta, looks very kind of deserted, I have to say. It's so sad. Here is Queens of India, also closed, as you can see. That's actually sad because usually these places are so busy. Okay, now it's Bali Dynasty Resort. Bali Dynasty Resort remains open, as you can see the lobby. They have a nice restaurant at the front. This is the Irish restaurant, I think, and it looks a little bit like church style. Okay, both of them, they are open, and yes, this is the... Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm
Yeah, maybe next time, yeah? Thank you. And I have a Guinness here. This is the Irish Craig. Yo, what's up? Everybody are waiting for the transport. Grab driver. Gojek. Here is the Anova Hotel, and it's open. Even the bus is here. I think it's open. It's called the Amaya. Amaya is very nice resort. Here is the Fabrice Kuta. It's supposed to be a restaurant, and I think hotel unfortunately also closed. So yeah. Also, I will show you these hotels from the other side, from the beach later on. Yo, what's up? People seems like a little bit more friendly here. I just only one thing what I noticed is people in Kuta, Legian, Ubud and Sanur, of course, they are a little bit more open-minded for you. They're happy to say hi or something to compare to the people in Semiak. I don't know why. Maybe you can confirm that with me or say no, but that's how it is. Some taxi drivers, as you see, here is the Rani Hotel Spa again. I think they are suits and ones they are hotel, something like that. Kids playing, driving around, but in general, some people could say it's busy. It's busier, mate. Not little bit busier than long time ago, but still very quiet to compare to the 1 year ago, more than 1 year ago. And loud bikes. Alright, sorry for the little bit boring stroll around. This is the Lipo Mall, and now we'll see how's the crack over here. Check this out. Very quiet, yes.
No tourists.
Oh, no tourists, no tourists.
Bali.
Yeah.
Bali, Gorobot, Soda.
Okay.
Come back to Bali.
Take care, yeah.
Okay, where you from?
From Europe. Europe.
Yes, come back next time.
Next year, yeah. Very good crack. There's some lady. So this is the Lipo Mall. So basically this is also very quite interesting area over here. So this is the mall, Lipo Mall, and over here just a small gang between, and it's like a shopping stroll, as you can see. Whoa. So the shopping stroll normally is so busy over here, but not today. And yeah, the Lipo Mall have a brands like Adidas, and over there is the also iBox where you can buy your iPhone. Authorized resellers, and here usually supposed to be a like tattoo studios, in general shopping stroll. Like you could buy t-shirts, fake Adidas, or like some guest house over here. I don't know what's the name, but it's some sort of guest house. And here is the mall situation. I'm just gonna show you from outside. Don't really wanna go inside. Seems like it's quiet, the security and the iBox. I make a few vlogs over there when I was buying some for Winnie, and also drawn over there. Good place to, if you wanna buy Genie, DJI or Apple stuff. And yeah, I'm gonna hit over there now into the residential area of Kuta. I don't know, guys, how is your feeling watching this, but when I'm walking here and it's so quiet, you walk on the middle of the street, I feel a little bit strange and quite sad at the same time, you know what I mean? Because usually, you know, these places, they are super busy, but now, check this out, so sad. Okay, at least here, some kids playing. Here's the hotel. Hello.
Hello.
How are you? Hello. Hello. At least they are kids happy, and here is some hotel. I'm not sure if it's open, but some cars here. So maybe yes. Very quiet, very quiet. Hello, how are you? Take care, yeah. Very quiet. Some tattoos here. and in general the street from the tourist streets become into just normal local area. So basically now, if you are going from Leipo Mall, which is on the other side, what you saw, and going into this direction, where I'm going now, I'm going backwards. I don't know, that's quite weird, right? However, at the end of the small gang, which is very small, very narrow, and very empty at the same time right now, is the residential area of Kuta, and there's so many villas there, villas and fancy houses. So check this out. Can you hear the sound of silence? Okay. Here we go, this is the residential area of Kuta with the beautiful villa at the front, by the way. There is some hotel, I'm not sure. So this is the gang, and the name of the gang is Gang Samudra. So basically over there is the Lipo Mall. And yeah, this area is super extremely quiet right now. There are few warungs here. Discount 40% for food only. I'm not sure what's the name. They are also beachfront. There is already the German beach. And quickly I'm gonna show you how it looks. Residential area of Kuta. If you are interested maybe to rent the house villa in this area. I'm not sure if they are any able, but I think so for sure. Very nice houses, modern houses and villas, obviously, like this one. This is like already a quite very nice houses and villas, I have to say, especially for the Kuta area. It's a little bit similar like to Umalas, where there's so many fancy big villas. Of course, you cannot see much inside, and well, I have to keep their privacy. And over there at the end, where are the kids going by bike, is the entrance to the German beach. See you there. Okay, so here is the corner, and this is the Solis Beach Hotel in Kuta. Also a Holiday Inn resort over there, and there is the gate going to the German beach. So we're gonna go there now, and we will see. But by the way, it's quiet, peaceful here. So this is the German beach parking area. Over there already, where you can see something, is the airport. Yo, what's up, doggo? Yo, what's up, doggo? How you doing, buddy? This dog looks a little bit like a Kintamani dog, or at least mix of Kintamani. Oh, they will fight. Hopefully not. Here we go, check this out. The kids playing, skating. There is the professional camera guy. Very cool place for skating and chilling around. They're recording themselves, maybe they are YouTubers. Super cool. Very nice. And this is the Pantai German. And Pantai German basically is the first beach from the airport. Airport is just over there. And basically this is the oldest tourist Kuta. And somewhere here is also the oldest hotel. I'm not sure which one. Maybe even this one, but somewhere here is the oldest hotel in Kuta. And the Pantai German, very interesting fact. Last time when I make a vlog, many people ask why is Pantai German? German, it's mean obviously German, and that's because of when the airport Nurare, which is just really not so far away from here. That's why I cannot fly drone here also. When was the technician and there was the construction of the airport, some German engineers or something like that, they sleep here. I'm not sure if it was the no hotels yet or he sleep on the beach like literally. However, that's the story. You can find this on Google also. Maybe if so you are interested, I will link somewhere in the description below. Here is also one hotel. I really don't know the name. I think it's Molly or something like this, with private beach. They put like a fence, and the hotel is in very bad condition, I have to say. I don't want to say that, but here I think supposed to be a pool or some decoration, but it's very I don't know even what to say. Majorly everything in this area is very deserted, I have to say. And this is the oldest part of Kuta. Maybe for many travelers who used to be here in 1970s, 1980s, and you stayed in Kuta, you stay somewhere in that area. If so, just comment below, please. Yeah, some kids playing around. So everywhere here is supposed to be a hotel with the access to the beach, and the beach is just simply deserted. And the sky today looks like this, and also over there you see something over there. This is the airport already area, and here is already a little bit more optimistic view. This is the Amaya Hotel with the beautiful beach and the small wee palm trees. Kids driving around, and the restaurant is actually very nice hotel. Never stayed here, but seems like it's very nice. However, still very quiet, but some people are inside, as you can see inside. And this is the Sands bar, so it's really not so bad. Hello. So many offerings here because Galungan is next week, and there is the Kuta. There is cloudy and probably rainy. I'm gonna go there into the Discovery Mall area, and meanwhile I wanna show you quickly how it looks, the beach situation next to Anvaya. Beautiful sky, however will be no sunset. Some people driving around, and this is the hotel, and here is the temple. Very nice statue, by the way. Okay, here is already the Discovery Villas area, and I'm working on the promenade. This promenade is a little bit similar to the summer one, just with the difference as is the rocks. Not really beach, but it's very beachfront actually, which is super cool. Usually over here is also so busy in general in normal conditions. However, right now only few people jogging. Also quite good place for the driving the skateboard. However, the path is actually quite better not. I'm so sorry, forgot about that. Actually not, it's very old path, you will crash for sure. And here we go, this is the Kartika Hotel promenade, and over there is the Kuta beach walk over there. Where is my finger? And so on, Legian, Seminiak, Canggu. Actually you cannot see Canggu because it's already cloudy. Discovery Hotel is open, of course, if somebody will be interested. Guys, that's it for today. I hope so you enjoyed my stroll around Kuta, South Kuta, basically maybe even Tuba area. I hope so everything will back to any kind of normal in near future. Meanwhile, that's it from me, and see you tomorrow like always 4 p.m. See ya, take care guys.